Good morning, my name is Pierre BELICHARD. I am the CEO and co-founder of Enterome. Quick question, did you know that a new organ has been recently discovered, deeply hidden into the darkest part of the human body? This organ has been so far left unknown, unseen and neglected by human medicine and was long considered at best as a field of flowers, living into the deepest part of our guts. I'm talking about the gut microbiome. This unexplored territory has been now fully mapped by my company, Enterome, and we have, to date, identified north of 20 million proteins that are produced by the human microbiome organ, which is making it basically the largest endocrine organ of the human body. We are now developing a clinical stage pipeline which is made of drugs that we have identified thanks to this platform. I should say that amongst the companies developing into this microbiome field, we are the only one to identify drugs from bugs and not bugs as drugs. This is bypassing the IP, regulatory, and other problems that are associated with the use of live biotherapeutics or fecal transplantation. The main question which is associated with our stated ambition is, what if a new generation of immune therapies could target any cancer cells, being tumor agnostic, propelling the cancer immunotherapy market from the current 22 billion to more than 80 billion in the next 10 years? Our answer to that question is a proprietary and revolutionary immune therapeutic approach to cancer that we have called microbiome oncomimicry. Thanks to our database, we have identified hundreds of bacterial antigens that are like specific ID numbers for each bacteria forming the gut microbiome. These bacterial epitopes are secreted by the bacteria from the gut microbiome with two goals. The first one is, of course, to allow the human immune system to identify, screen, and accept the good bugs that are needed by the human body to function properly, because these bacteria do secrete tons of factors that would otherwise not produce or get from the food. The second element of this immune system is that the bacterial epitope produced by the bacteria from the gut microbiome induce the creation of a pool of memory T cells with an incredible set of special powers like escaping thymic selection and developing unprecedented killing properties. These very special T cells are identifying, thanks to their epitope, any bacteria that would like to invade the human body, and these T cells are killing every and each bacteria in a very efficient way. The way we have used this unique part of the immune system is quite simple. We have identified, characterized, and patent protected each and every of these bacterial epitopes that mimic the tumor-associated antigens that are involved in cancer development, and which are normally left unseen by the regular immune system because they are human, they are self, and thus untouched to avoid autoimmunity. Our unique approach, by denouncing the cancer cells to the immune system, would allow the proper use of immune therapies in the context of any tumor type, whatever its location, whatever its anatomy or biology. We are currently in active clinical development with multiple, multicentric and international phase 2 in both solid and liquid tumors. The team at Enterome is made of high-level scientists and top-notch clinicians that have a proven track record of clinical successes. We have recently raised north of 50 million euros, and we are now in the process for the next couple of years to execute our clinical plan. We are delivering clinical catalysts to reach the next milestones for value creation. From this very unexplored territory, we have assembled probably the largest collection of potential therapeutic tools that we are transforming into new drugs. Immuno-oncology is the first chapter of a bigger book where metabolic, inflammatory, and autoimmune disease are only a few examples of what could come next. Thank you.